Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy M14 and today I would like to show you how you can install and apply Rosemary font on this Samsung. First of all, go into settings and scroll down to access display. Now tap on font size and style. Go into font style and select download fonts. Finally, you can click on Rosemary one and tap on install. Then you can click on apply right away over here or go back and tap on it from the list. As you can see, after that, my font style was successfully applied. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!